Station Central. Let's we go to the Avenue K. Just good coffee is welcome at the UC floor. Let's explore some the lower ground floor, 11 UC here. H&M is here. There are the lower ground floor shops in the Avenue K. CGM 1234. So go to the C and come back. It's the level C, concourse level. See your convenience store. Still see coffee. We go back to the underground level. We saw already. Yes. Let's go to the ground level. This comes to the main. Already I posted the video of this mall last year itself. Just I show some glances. Then We go to the rooftop. We start from the entrance. A new butter biscuit company. Always they make it like this, colorful lights. GPR, the name is so nice, colorful. Butter cookies. The Starbucks is here. The beautiful showroom Starbucks is. I'll show it. Coffee during Christmas time it was open. I've tried here, so nice actually. The mid floor with the ground floor, lots of seats. Coffee taste is good actually. Some more shops are there. The another main road entrance. I'll show. From the underground KLCC station, you come straight to the mall. You no need to cross the road. See opposite the Soraya KLCC. Here is the Avenue K. This is the Avenue K. Many of them knows, just I show. Opposite is the shops by Four Seasons, 5-star hotel from just a mini mall shop. No, just a mini mall, just a 4 floors, not much. This entry already I shown on my another last year video. Here is the Starbucks. Just you can view the road view and enjoy the some wood space here. The little small shop only here. Underground car parking, Max showroom. That comes to the entrance. Let's go to the first floor. Let's go to the next floor. I think I've already shown this mall. It's not much, just the rooftop is attraction on this mall. Nothing else. So he goes to the topmost. Let's we check what will comes. This is the rooftop place. Limits the modern Indian authentic dishes. Wonderful spots for team outing, meetings and all. Right, if you are near KLCC. Some other shops are coming soon, board area. So we comes to the top floor. It's the rooftop garden. Yes. We liked it. There's some restaurant, I think. So opposite the KLCC, the Petronas. Let's go back to the down. This is the above communique. The nearby office and hotels are there. This is a calm atmosphere here. It's just a small rooftop, not much bigger than another. Feliz. Yes, restaurant and bar. Okay, that's good. There's the some playing area seems. Yeah, for children's playing area. As usual, it's good. So everywhere is tourism promotion is going on full swing for the 2026. Will nearly many millions tourists ready to come on upcoming year. So there is closed. No, this is a pedal, the go-kart car for just pedal. Okay, let's we go back. Also not much crowd day by day. Only on weekend or after Christmas time there will be a good crowd. I posted Christmas videos already here. The nice Christmas setup they made it. Check in on my video link during Christmas. Okay. That is the food court, I think. Chinese restaurant, yeah. Food City, Chinese built food court. I'll show this entry and exit. This was so dark with the colorful ambience. This place is to connect to the Starbucks. This is one of the beautiful place. There's the way to the Starbucks. See, can go to the Starbucks. Where is exit? That's it. Thanks for watching. Just a board video, just for a sample walk.